The one thing I think that you provide a lot of value is definitely your acquisition skills. Like your marketing is great, your cash buyers are great, but like you're really good like explaining the acquisitions process. So is there one secret or nugget you can give about acquisitions that could have saved you if you told your previous self that, like probably a couple deals?
Um, yeah, I think so. What helps me now, especially when I'm training, my team, is I've always had it. I just never wrote it down, which is what we call an acquisition sales process. Okay, and
Hmm.
what that is basically not a script, but it's basic points or pit stops in a script, right? So like breaking it down is like, okay, first you want to introduce yourself and set expectations, right? The next thing that you want to do is clarify the condition. Okay. The next thing that you want to do is, and I'm going off the top of my head because I don't have it in front of me, but the next thing you want to do is find out the timeline, right? And this roadmap is what helps you because once again, when you're talking to people, what I've noticed is that when it comes down to acquiring a property, there is no script out there that is the best script. There's no script. There's no golden script. The golden script is you, okay? Because the golden script that would be out there, you would have to take that and you have to learn how to position it. And what I mean by that, Zach, is that a seller might throw you a curveball on the phone, and you have to know when to ask that question and at what time in the conversation to ask that question, right? So for example, right, one of the biggest things that we get is, Brandon, they won't give me the price, right? So what I use to combat that is, first off, I'm driving, I'm navigating. I got
Hmm.
my GPS. All right. I know there's going to be a pothole here. I'm using Waze, right? So I know there's a cop ahead. I know there's an accident over here. I know I got to slow down over here, right? So I know where I'm going. I'm going to my destination. But my thing is that I need to understand how to navigate, right, when these curveballs come. So after experiencing you doing this all the time, you're going to quickly know that basically people are always going to say the same rebuttals, right? Most of the time, they're going to say the same rebuttals. So what really kind of helped me with the acquisition process was finding out a what we call it, a process of what happens in a call, right? Step one, you want to do this. Step two, you want to do this. And no matter what they say, you want to follow that. And this is what I tell my team, because they'll say, "Hey, Brandon, I feel like I did everything wrong, but I don't know why I didn't get the transfer." And I say, "Okay, well, let's listen to the call." And then I'll say, "Well, hey, listen, right here, you did not assume the occupancy, right?
Hmm.
Which caused for them to get aggravated at you saying, hey, so so who lives in the house, versus saying, hey, Zach, so you live in the house, right? So now they're aggravated. The next question you asked them was about a mortgage. They don't want to disclose that. Now they're even more pissed off. So now they remember that they've been on the phone with you for 5 minutes and that your original plan was to give an offer and you still haven't gave them one. So now they don't want to talk to nobody else and they want to hang up.
Wow. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people, so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.